Hi guys, I'm Aditya, and in this video we are going to talk everything about MBA CET 2021. So obviously you must be targeting jbims. That is, you need to target 99.9 percentile. So what strategy you should apply, what syllabus you should cover, what topics you need to cover for that, and how you should prepare. So before we move forward, I would just like to introduce the new courses and variants which we are going to start to cover the exams of MBA CET, MAT, TISNET, CMAT, and ATMA. So and all the content is covered is divided in various parts like coaching hours, live and recorded sessions, study material in terms of number of questions, sectional and topic wise tests, full length mock tests, and one-to-one analysis. Also the fees. So we are going to start a classroom batch from 4th of January at our Pune center, in which 120 hours, 120 plus hours of coaching will be provided in person. Study material consists of 10,000 plus questions covering all the new patterns and all the new varieties which were asked in MBA CT 2020. You will also get a mobile app which will consist of section and topic wise tests, more than 50 plus. Then full length mock tests can also be taken from mobile app, or it is recommended to take from laptop or desktop screen. These are the number of tests: 20 plus CET, 10 plus MAT, and 20 plus for other exams covering TISNET, CMAT, and ATMA. One-to-one mock analysis is included in all the courses on demand from the student. We are going to start an online batch from 28th of December, 4th of January, and 11th of January. Batches of timings of all the batches will be provided at the end of this video. Again, all the content provided in classroom session is also provided in online format, but it will be in live or online sessions. Same study material, 10,000 plus questions, test series, and full sectional tests, sectional and topic wise test, and full length mock tests. Then, if you are not comfortable with the batch timings, you can also go ahead with the correspondence course, in which you'll get the 100 plus hours of recorded videos. You can watch them from the at your comfortable timing. Then same study material, sectional and full length mock tests, that is mobile app, and one-on-one mock test is included. The fees for this course, fees for the classroom course is 7,999. Fees for the online course is 6,999. If you opt to go for the recorded sessions, fees will be 4,999. If you already have a study material from one or the other reputed institutes or from your cousins या last year का कोई भी study material आपके पास होगा which you feel is already updated and you do not need to purchase any study material, then but you want the recorded videos and the inputs, then recorded videos, sectional apps, sectional and topic wise tests in mobile app, then full length mock tests and one-on-one analysis is covered in only 3500. And if you have everything, that is study material, if you do not want to purchase any recorded sessions, you only are looking for sectional and topic wise mock tests and full length mock tests, then that is also available from two different vendors. So the pricing completely depends on the pack which you purchase. So you can pause the video and go through all the details. Again, if you have any doubt, you can obviously get in touch with us on the contact numbers which are provided in the description. Now, if you are looking at MBA CET, which will, if we look at the previous patterns, it is usually conducted on second weekend of March. So in 2021, it falls on 13th and 14th March. तो अभी तक मेजोरिटी एग्जाम्स तो पोस्टपोन नहीं हुए हैं, पेपर पैटर्न चेंज हुआ है बट एग्जाम्स पोस्टपोन नहीं हुए हैं. कैट वाज कंडक्टेड इन द मंथ ऑफ नवंबर. स्नैप divided themselves in three different slots, but the first slot was obviously conducted in the month of December. NMAT is still being conducted from October to January, October to December. That will be conducted in the month of January, and everything else. CMAT is also going to be conducted in the month of January. So, as per our expectation and going by the same pattern, dates are not going to change, most probably, but pattern there might be a slight change in the pattern. So अभी जैसे कोविड का सिनेरियो नॉर्मल होते जा रहा है, धीरे धीरे वेरियस स्टेट्स में कॉलेजेस एंड स्कूल्स ओपन होते जा रहे हैं, सो वी कैन ऑल्सो एक्सपेक्ट नो चेंज इन द पेपर पैटर्न. अभी लेट्स से नोटिफिकेशन जब आएगा तब आएगा. अभी तो CET 2020 के थ्रू एडमिशन ही नहीं स्टार्ट हुए. सो 2021 का पैटर्न कब आएगा पता नहीं, बट गोइंग बाय द पेपर पैटर्न ऑफ CET 2020 and latest updates or the latest trends which they followed in 2020, we have updated all our books and included all the topics. So if you have any books or you want to start preparation for CET 2020, try to cover all these topics and check whether all these topics are available in your books or not. Plus, it is recommended that you should solve minimum 50 to 100 questions per topic. Minimum 50 to 100 questions per topic to cover all the different varieties of that topic, because CET is always known for the surprises. It can throw any surprise even in this chapter, like number and letter series. इसमें भी कोई various कोई different type का question आ सकता है. So that's why covering majority number of questions is the best idea. So now you know that in CET LR comes for 75 marks out of 200. That's why we have divided LR in two different books, and we have tried to cover we have tried to cover all the topics with majority of the varieties. So this is LR2, in which most of the critical reasoning, non-verbal reasoning is covered. Then this is LR1, in which all the conventional LR and arrangements or puzzles is covered. This is verbal ability book. Since verbal ability is asked for 50 out of 200, one book should suffice for that, because it is also dependent of your understanding of the language. जैसे reading comprehension has 6 exercises, 1 to 6. Then each and every exercise covers a separate topic. So each exercise consists of minimum 50 to 75 questions. Okay, so you'll get enough practice. You can pause the video to check for the topics. Then moving forward to DI, which is asked for around 25 marks out of 200. For this as well, one book should be sufficient. So the ideal pattern should be, or study pattern should be like something like this. कि पहले तो आप कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ो. अभी आपको क्लासरूम सेशन अटेंड करना है, ऑनलाइन सेशन अटेंड करना है, रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस देखने हैं, या फिर आपके पास खुद के पास कुछ मटेरियल है, तो पहले तो एक कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करो. देन पिक अप a question bank or the books. Solve around 50 to 75 questions. You'll get a hold of the topic, and then move forward to the mobile app and try to take a topic wise test. इससे आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा कि आपका ये टॉपिक का लेवल प्रिपरेशन कितने लेवल तक हुआ है. देन धीरे धीरे on one weekend or on fortnightly basis, try to take one full length mock, at least in the month of January. From the month of February, obviously you'll have to take one mock per 3 or 4 days or one mock per week. बट इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी जब तक आपका प्रिपरेशन अच्छा खासा नहीं हो जाता है, तब तक बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम मॉक में स्पेंड करने से अच्छा है आप अच्छा खासा प्रिपरेशन करते जाओ. ठीक है. अगर आपने कैट स्नैप के लिए ऑलरेडी प्रिपरेशन करके रखा है, तो आपको इतना आप देन वन मॉक पर वीक दे सकते हो. बिकॉज यू डोंट नीड टू प्रिपेयर ऑल द टॉपिक्स अगेन. बट सिंस सीईटी में एलआर बहुत ज़्यादा हेवी होता है एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ न्यू टॉपिक्स विच आर नॉट आस्क्ड इन CAT or ZAT, so you need to give proper justified time to that topic. Okay, moving forward to quant t quant data sufficiency and data comparison is in total asked for 25 marks out of 200, out of which only quant is asked for hardly 15 to 16 marks out of 200. इसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा टॉपिक्स कवर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट जितने करोगे उसने का एटलीस्ट बेसिक्स आपको पता होना चाहिए, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट अ कैट और जैट लेवल एग्जाम जहाँ पे कंसेप्चुअल नॉलेज बहुत डीप चेक किया जाएगा. बट यस, यहाँ पे आपका स्पीड ट्रिमेंडस रिक्वायर्ड है. करेक्ट, ट्रिमेंडस स्पीड इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन दैट. Many shortcuts are also explained in the videos and all. So if you still have any doubt or you want to go ahead with any of the course, you can definitely contact us on any of these numbers. Okay, thank you guys. Best of luck for your preparations.